Hey, this is Dan Keller again, your mortgage advisor over here at New American Funding. And today I'm going to share with you video number 3 in my What to Expect Next video series. So this video is all about what to expect next now that your loan has been cleared to close. So what does cleared to close mean? Clear to close means that your rate has been locked. It means that your loan has been fully underwritten and approved. And it means that your appraisal is back at value with no work orders, or if there were work orders, they have now been satisfied. Okay, so what we're going to do next is we are going to issue your final closing disclosures. I explained initially in a video that about a year ago, there were new federal guidelines that required a 3-day wait period for borrowers to review their closing documents. This is the phase that we are going to enter into next. So we're going to send you an email that has your closing disclosures or CD attached to that. We're going to need you to log in, and we're going to need you to acknowledge that you've received your closing disclosures. At that particular time, I'm going to be reaching out to you to review your cash due at closing, your interest rate, and your total monthly payment. Those are the 3 big items on your closing disclosures that we need to make sure that you're fully aware of and that they are right in line with what I explained they would be up front. The other thing we're going to do is we're going to make sure that we're vesting properly, that it's your name, and if there is a spouse or a co-borrower, that both people are on title and that both names are spelled correctly. So we're going to do what's called a pre-funding review right after the closing disclosure is sent out. And you and I will have a quick phone call to go over those items. And then we're going to have about 3 days before you can actually sign at escrow and complete the home loan process, if you will. So during that 3-day wait period, we're going to give you wiring instructions so that you can go to your bank and wire your cash, your total funds due at closing, to escrow so that they are there in advance and we don't have to worry about that on the day that you actually go in there and you sign your closing documents. When you go in and you sign your closing documents, I'm going to ask that you let me know when that appointment takes place, the time and location, because I'd like to attend that meeting, that appointment if possible. So during that 3-day wait period, escrow will reach out to you to schedule a signing time. You'll sign your final closing documents, which there should be no surprises since we've already reviewed them. And then typically within 24 hours, either that day or the next day, we will fund your loan. Once we fund your loan, the title company will need to take your note and your deed of trust and record that with the county. Once that is recorded on the day that we fund your loan, you're then free to get keys from your real estate agent. Now remember, we don't give keys out, your real estate agent gives keys out, okay? So this concludes my what to expect next now that you've been cleared to close. I want to ask you this. You can see how we've catered to you, how we've communicated with you on Tuesdays and Fridays, how we've got all hands on deck at all times. This doesn't leave much time for me to go out into the community and get new business for our office and our team. So I put a lot of focus on you so that my clients are advocates of the Dan Keller team. So while you're at work, while you're meeting or having connecting with friends and family members, please keep us in mind if you're anybody that's interested in purchasing a home or refinancing a home, okay? I truly, greatly appreciate that. If you have any questions, let us know, and I look forward to talking with you next, wrapping up our 4-part series on what to expect next now that you have a mortgage. Take care.